This is all the ingredients I need for a pickled red onions. I need red onions. I'm going to use a little pickle juice out of a pickle jar, apple cider vinegar, red vinegar, dill weed, and caraway and honey. I'm going to use a spicy hot honey for it and a jar to pickle it in. This is a cheap measuring method. I filled that up, stuffed it with the onions, and then I filled it up with water, and I will pour the water into a jar. And that tells me how much juice I need. I'm just using this as an example. That would be the line. That's how much fluid I need to pickle. I will add a little bit more because I want to make sure it all fits. Vinegar. That's an apple cider vinegar. Then we'll put some red wine vinegar in there. Pinch or two of caraway. Some dill. The cheap pickled juice. And the honey. Just bring it to a boil and carefully pour it into your jar. That's it. Put the lid on and it'll be ready to consume in, what do you say, honey? Hour or two.
Basically when it cools off.
Just, when it cools off. I prefer when it cools down enough to put it in the refrigerator and chill it because it's better cold. I like to have a jar in my refrigerator most of the time. It's good for sandwiches, hot dogs, on a meat tray on top of a schnitzel or German potato salad. Give it a go. It's easy. You can do it. Shelter food and beer.